Hi, my name is Frederic Bornachera Castro, and I am going to give my opinion on the negative and positive effects that technology has on the environment. I think it's important for young people to discuss how technology, how technology production, for example, cell phones, computers, tablets, uh, generate negative effects on the environment, such as pollution on the air, water, and soils, resulting from the resource extraction and manufacturing processing. Uh, these kinds the of pollution can also result from the use of non-eco-friendly energy source. Although it is important to continue developing technologies to support our daily activities. I hope the industry will start addressing for eco-friendly technology in next years. And this way, pollution and negative impacts on the environment and natural resources can be reduced or controlled. We all can take part in reducing such negative effects. For example, by using solar energy in most of the technology items we use on a daily basis. This way, we reduce the negative impacts from last decades. For example, the building new dams and fossil and full use coal or gas, which result on natural resource scarcity, habitat, and species loss, degradation, and lands. And these impacts are bigger in developing countries and mixed with population group they end up growing poverty. And to achieve change on the way produce and consume technologies, it's important that governments um, excuse me, um, take actions in head of the United Nations. Yeah, yeah. If we reduce with use of fossil fuels, it might possible to reduce the global warming, high water, and soil pollution. And thanks you very much. Happy day. Bye.